All right, let's go over this day. I'm going to play a few clips, go to the charts, look at it, look at the trades we took, and the disappointment and victories. Let's see. It looks like right now, the only things that'll hold us up is this at the 70s and this low one at the 40s. Okay, talking about those two levels at 70s and 40s. All right, so we were saying we think probabilities are we go down today. If we start going down, 60, 70s here is. I'm just repeating myself now. This demand on the 5-minute right there. Below that, we have 60, 40s. Okay, good point. Good point, Tejas. I'm going to try to trade through 60, 70 area, expecting like 60, 40s. Okay, I should have checked those again because I just really hammered in that point there. Something like, this. And we'll talk about this picture and what we traded. This would be similar play out if we came up a little higher to one of the days that I've looked at previously. Just sell that. Where the beginning of the day drops off, and then around 9, we form some sort of double top right here. Some sort of double top, you say. Oh, and that's what we got. So let's look. I have these entries here. That showed us getting short off this supply. And our stop, we got stopped out at the top tick of the day. So ultimately we were talking about the 60-70 level here that we needed to break. And I would want to trade through it, looking for 60-40s. Man, we sat through all this chop, came down to 60-70. We drew a picture in how we wanted a reaction off of 60-70, and then we would trade supply that formed. That's what happened, but we didn't get a retest of this supply. So we went down, broke lower. Okay, cool. Now we're looking for 60-40s. So on this break lower, we pull back. I don't want to just jump in. I want a picture to paint itself. So we pull back on this down candle. We form supply here. We quickly come to retest it. That's where I enter. And then we move down. I got out one target at 20 points. The next target I held, I was looking for a push down in a 60-40, and we just kind of did this. So I exited there. At 60.45 1/4. And the low of the day was 60.42 1/4. So we top ticked with our stop, unfortunately, and got within a few points of the bottom today. Today would have been a great day to showcase adding onto a position. Unfortunately, we double topped here in the morning, and that stopped me out. But if that didn't stop me out, then we would be adding to our position in one of these areas and taking out all of our position down here. Unfortunately, we just missed it. Just missed that by a tick. But that happens. That's what makes it so hard. On one point, I want to talk about FOMC time. I took a trade right before it on this, so 1250-ish candle. And my opinion on the news, I said on the live stream, is that the news just brings us where we want to go quicker. Everything that we can know or estimate is already priced in the market, in my opinion. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll be back tomorrow.